Welcome to the C.B. Budd Johnson Library Business homepage. It's from this point that more than likely you'll be starting many of your searches. Here you'll be able to get chat help with us when the library is open. You'll be able to do some self-help using Find Answers Quickly. And if you take a look along the left-hand side, you'll find many points to launch some of your research. But the main area that you're probably going to be using are the databases listed here under the Business Databases by Subject page. Here we have a listing of all of the business-focused databases loosely categorized for you. So remember, the C.B. Budd Johnson Library Business page, and here is the URL. This video is going to talk to you about the Factiva database. Factiva is predominantly known for its strength of articles, but it actually is also listed under our company research because it provides good company information. Clicking on the link from either one will take you to the same resource, and I'm going to try to cover all of the areas of Factiva. Here is your free text search where you can input your basic searches, and here is an area where you can be very specific as to the type of information that you want to input and include. Up here I'm going to start with the Companies and Markets section, where you click on Company if you choose, or get a quick quote if you want, and start searching for Nordstrom, and click on your company. You get the usual quick tear sheet that shows you information about the company, the news, the subjects, industries under which it functions. But then if you take a look on the left-hand side, key developments, latest news, the peer comparison, so you're going to see immediately the big guys that they play with, and Nordstrom's position with those. It's an international comparison, and you can click on any one of these and they will take you to similar types of information. You can get key financial results for Nordstrom, and one of the areas that I'd like to point out is this reports section. You can get the basic company report, financial health report, but I'd like to point out the ratio comparison report, and when you click on view the report, you'll see that you can get an idea as to how Nordstrom is doing in comparison to the apparel, footwear, retail industry, in comparison to the entire sector, and in comparison to the S&P 500. So once reviewing those bits of data, you should be able to get a pretty good idea as to where Nordstrom stands. We're going to go back to the search component of Factiva, and here you can type Nordstrom if you'd like, and Canada, because we know Nordstrom is coming into Canada. So let's see what we come up with. So we have 363 results, and use the split pane view because it's much easier to navigate in between. So here we have a story on HBC keeping tabs on the shoppers, and Nordstrom will be part of this report. Here you've got an industry guide. So you have a variety of responses to your search, and if you find one that's of value to you, what you can do is click on that story, click on the headline, and it will appear here. And then at the end of the day, what you can do is email the stories, print them. I would suggest saving them or send them into a PDF format, okay? So back to the search so that you can see how to use the sections to the bottom. So if you click on company, you type Nordstrom here, and I guess I would have to spell it correctly. Click on the little purple arrow that sends it up to the top. Then what you can do is look at the region and choose from here. You can search for Canada here and then include that. But always remember you have to go up and put in the word "and" or if you choose. So I'm now going to do the search, and whereas we had about 363 reports, we now have only 23, and these will be more focused. Nordstrom announcing a partnership. Nordstrom is on a hiring blitz. Thousands show up for Stampede's big pancake breakfast. I guess Nordstrom must have been a sponsor. So you can see how you can use the different types of searches to get your information and how to focus your information. All of this can be exported. It's my suggestion you do it to PDFs. This is Factiva, and I think that you'll find it a valuable source.